Hello all, welcome to session 43 of Selenium Python training series. In this session, I am going to show you the different types of operators in Python. So let's get started. There are different types of operators in Python which can be categorized at a high level into arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and other type of operators like identity, bitwise, and membership operators. These are the different category of operators in Python, guys. But what exactly are these operators? Operators are nothing but symbols. Okay, in simple terms, operators are nothing but symbols, guys. For performing addition, okay, in Python, for performing this addition operation, we have to use which operator symbol? Plus symbol. Okay, if you want to perform subtraction, okay, in Python, if you want to perform subtraction operation, which symbol operator we have to use? Minus. Okay, minus symbol we have to use. So what exactly are these operators? In simple terms, operators are nothing but symbols, guys. So which can be categorized into different types. I already explained. If you go to this arithmetic operators category, okay, arithmetic operators category, you see for performing the addition operation in Python, we have to use which symbol? Which symbol operator we have to use? Plus symbol. For performing subtraction operator, we have to use minus symbol. For multiplication, asterisk symbol. Division, we have to use which operator? This slash operator. Okay, modulus, percentile, symbol operator. Like that, operators are nothing but symbols which can be used in Python for performing different operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. This category of operators or operator symbols belong to arithmetic operators. Okay, we have studied about the arithmetic subject in mathematics, right? The same symbols, guys. Okay, in mathematics also we almost have the same symbols. Here also in Python we have the same symbols, almost same symbols for the arithmetic operators. So next, coming to the assignment operators. Okay, so the purpose of the assignment operators is to assign something. Okay, if you want to assign something to a variable, some value to a variable, which operator we have to use? Assignment operator. Okay, this symbol we have used already in the previous sessions. In the previous sessions of this training series, we already used this operator symbol, that is equal to symbol, as part of assignment. We assign some values to the variables, right, using this operator already. Similarly, we have other type of assignment. We generally call them compound assignment operators, guys. In general world, we call them compound assignment. They'll club two symbols here: plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, percentile equal to, and there are other types also. In arithmetic operators also, these are the not the only final ones, guys. Apart from addition to modulus, we also have other operators, but this will be enough, guys. Okay, from addition to modulus will be enough. Similarly, coming to assignment operators also, this will be enough. Equal to till percentile equal to will be enough. Okay, other types are also there as part of assignment, but they are not necessary, that you have to learn as part of Selenium Python training series. Coming to the comparison operator. Okay, comparison operators. The purpose of this operators is to compare something. Okay, if you want to compare a number with another number, whether that number is greater or this particular number is greater, okay, there we can use the comparison operators. So these are the different comparison operators, guys. Equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. For equal, we have to use double equal to symbol. For not equal, we have to use exclamatory mark with equal symbol. Then greater than, we have to use greater than symbol. Less than, we have to use less than symbol. Greater than or equal to, we have to use greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to, we have to use less than or equal to. Then coming to the logical operators, you see, you already understood, right? Comparison operators are for comparing something. If you want to compare something with other thing, these are the different operators available in Python for comparing purpose. Equal to less than or equal to, kind of. Okay, logical operators. Under logical operators, we have and, or, and not. Okay, and, or, and not. So this four category of operators will be enough initially for learning as part of Python, Selenium Python, right? These four type of operator categories will be enough, guys. Whatever the operator symbols I listed down in these four categories like arithmetic, assignment, comparison, and logical, right, I'll be practically demonstrating in the next few sessions. But there are other type of operators also, that is identity, bitwise, and membership. I'll be explaining this as part of the Selenium Python series on the need basis, guys. Okay, it's not compulsory that I have to explain all these operators in this series, but these operators I'll definitely explain. But coming to these operators, based on the need basis, I'll be explaining these operators, guys. Otherwise, I'll not be explaining. Okay, So hope guys you understood the different types of operators in Python. So that's it guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.